Ltd, and today we're making a refreshing, nutritious drink from the cherry. And this isn't just any cherry, this is the Bajan cherry. This tiny fruit is power packed with nutrients, known mostly for its vitamin C content. Many years ago, you will always hear persons say, if you caught a cold or a flu, you don't need to go to the doctor or the pharmacy. You need to get yourself some Bajan cherry. Now, making the cherry drink is quite simple. We're going to just use cherries, water, and sugar, but we're going to spice it up a bit. We're going to add our regular lime. So we're going to have a mixture of cherry and lime. So I'm thinking that we're going to call this drink ADE. Now, before we go over our ingredients, I want to give a shout out to two other persons who sent in their recipes to me. And this one over here is from Kimberly. It looks amazing. And over here, this one is from Maria. I'm just encouraging you to continue to send in your recipes, and I'm going to post them here on the channel and also on my IG page. So let's go over the ingredients. We have 2 cups of Bajan cherries, sugar to taste, 2 large limes, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. This recipe is really simple. We're going to just add our cherries to our blender. We're going to mix it, add some water, then we're going to pour it into a bowl, squeeze our lime juice and add our sugar, then strain it. Really simple, really delicious.
Now we'll add our limes, cut them in half and squeeze them. Even if you get the seeds in, we're going to strain afterwards. We're going to sugar to taste according to your level of sweetness, and then we'll add the finishing touches, the vanilla essence. Stir all the ingredients well. Now it's time to taste.
If you taste it and you realize it is slightly acidic because the cherries can be quite tart, and if you pick them when they were kind of young, sometimes they're still red, they're even sharper, really acidic. You may need to add a little more essence just to balance out the flavor so it is really nice and refreshing. Now we're going to strain this drink and get ready to taste.
Our cherry ADE is done. Just look at this gorgeous color. A beautiful fusion of cherry drink and lemonade.
You can definitely smell the cherries. You absolutely have to try this drink. So good. And the right amount of essence really balances out the acidity you will get from the cherries and the lime. ADE, now you need to try it. Now, if you enjoyed this amazing drink, you need to look over here and check out some of my other drink recipes. And once you have watched them all, just click the button below, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video. And remember to send a comment. I love hearing from you.